To erase objects from photos in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open your camera. Then after taking a photo of something, click on the photo right here, and now you can click on the pen button to edit the photo. Go to AI editor and select AI eraser. Now if you do it for the first time, it will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, and also it will download a plugin for it. When it's ready, you can use three options. There's the smart lasso, paint over, or remove people. You can choose one of those options to erase a specific thing. For example, remove people will work great when there's actual people on your photos that you want to remove. In this case, I don't know, let's try to remove the base right here. So I'm gonna use the smart lasso and then start drawing and filling up what I want to remove. Then the AI will think it over and will try to remove that surface and replace the background with it. So we can do all sorts of stuff like this, and then that's how you can remove the objects from photos. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.